me think about all extra resource we stop lo backside lo book. So after lo lesson 7, you got all another example blo all passage blo giving practice lo all participant blo cut them out all information, walk with them all information, blo walk them out one last thing. Lo book blo you teacher, you got all information is stop. They all get now only no got lo book blo get last thing too. You got one example blo one last thing way straight way stop lo book blo you. They good blo you give him time lo all participant only walk him out last thing one and we only think say straight after you scale him. We got Hamas passage is stop blo you try and walk lo him. But anytime, suppose one lesson is short or you make him one another time lo afternoon or one in time where just good blo give him plenty practice blo reading one passage or walk him out last thing blo him.